What's going on YouTube? It's your boy SliceGod LilNoah back with another video. I got my guy in the chair. I'm doing another undercut like mid taper. We just combing the hair out right now, lifting it off the scalp, getting ready to take it down without 1.5 guard close. I'm going against the grain for the most even cut as possible. I'm using my left hand to protect all longer hairs. I'm combing as I go. I'm being repetitive and just taking my time. As I get to the nape area, you're going to see me going a lot of different directions, and that's just because I'm trying to go against the way the hair grows. Right here we sitting in our first guideline in the half moon-like shape, right over where the top of the ear end. We're gonna be balding out the excess hair, getting ready to blend out this taper. At the moment, I'm sitting in my second guideline. With this guideline, I want to focus on making sure it's as neat as possible and as even as possible, just because I want to clearly see what I'm doing within this guideline. Right here, I'm closing my lever just a notch, working my way down in this guideline. So that means barely. So every time I close my lever just a notch, I'm moving my way down in the blend.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
At this point, I done went through every notch within this guideline. I'm just detailing, trying to get this blend as tight as possible. I'm opening my lever up, going with the grain on this guideline, trying to lighten it up a little bit. Then I'm gonna go back against the grain, basically trying to take this guideline out. I'm gonna be using my corners, and I'm gonna be detailing, hitting whatever area I feel like needs to be hit to make this blend come to life. As you get comfortable with cutting hair, you're gonna build that barber eye for yourself so you can know exactly what areas to hit. It's like an instinct almost. It's like you automatically know what areas is causing this blend not to be 100%. Now to the back taper, we sitting in our first guideline, which is the ball guideline. We're gonna use our trimmers to do so. Make sure you be light with the trimmers because they can whip up your client. My client is gonna turn red regardless, just because that's what his skin do, but it's not gonna whip him up just because I'm being light. But you wanna bald out the first guideline. dust them off. Then we moving in to this second guideline with the lever open. We sitting in this guideline. You're gonna see me turn my clipper sideways, trying to make sure I'm going with the against the grain, the way his hair grows. And after that, we just working our way down within this guideline, blending it out. Now I throw my one guard on here.
Damn it, Tito.
This is gonna be the
Another one?
last guard I use, really the only guard I use. I got my one guard open. I'm blending it to the 1.5 guard that we cut the whole head down with the whole side areas down earlier. I got it open, then I'm working my way down, closing the lever until I get to close. Then after that, I'm gonna move into that lever open. Now that we moved into this lever open, my main focus is to diminish this last faint line. And after I get that line gone, I'm still gonna be detailing because it's gonna pay off when you throw that crispy edge up on it. So make sure you detail, make sure you get this blend as even as possible. I keep saying it's possible because I really mean it. Like, to the best of your ability to do whatever you gotta do. Don't half step. You don't do no half stepping, period. I'm attacking any straggler hairs that's coming off the ponytail and getting in the way of this edge up. I'm using the holder spray to lock down the hairs. This basically keeps the hairs from moving from the vibration of my trimmers.
Another one?
Now I'm brushing it down, and I'm gonna grab my blow dryer to go and freeze it in, speed up the process, and then I'm gonna grab my Mike Tyson boards and get the heating, man. I'm gonna keep this edge up as natural as possible. Here I go with the as possible, man. So to the best of your ability, keep that edge up as natural as you can get it. Around that curve area, you wanna stay closer to the ear as possible. Just keep it natural. Same thing with the C-cup area, we're keeping everything natural. Take off as minimum amount of hair as you can while still giving it the nice arch or curve. This where having some nicely set sharpened trimmers come into play. And, I'm gonna show you guys how to get some hidden trimmers. I know y'all wondering. I just recently broke the blade on my other Babyless trimmers, my silver joints. So I'm gonna order a blade, show y'all how to do that. But y'all gotta get me to 1 million subscribers. giving out free game. That's my real free game. Cause when I get it out, we hitting up the C cup on this side. Then we finna attack these vertical bars. Then we gonna attack that front edge up. We staying symmetrical as possible. We stepping back, making sure that we going straight across. We not just rushing. We ain't doing no rushing. Taking our time, making sure when he looks straight, he looks straight. We ain't trying to make it seem like somebody tilting their head when they actually head straight. You see what I'm saying? Like, y'all need to start, man. Test yourself, man. If you do whatever you gotta do, if your eyes playing tricks on you, man, pull out your phone and go to your camera and make sure they motherfucker straight, cause the camera ain't gonna lie to you. Your eyes will.
Damn it, Tito.
If you rushing, they Russian mindset will lie to you like it's straight, man. Nigga ain't hopping out my chair if his hairline is not straight. No cap. As you can see, we took care of the facial hair off camera. But as you can see, we ain't skipping no beat. Everything crispy and sharp. We got this razor doing a little reverse hand action, man. Everybody can't do this, man. This the real, man. This the 42 Doug whistle, man. Yeah. Tough. You nigga down or what? Yeah, I'm just playing. It's SliceGod. YouTube, this could if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe. I appreciate y'all so much.